class. My name is Ana Aranda. I'm so happy to be here. Buenos dias, buenas tardes. I am the author and illustrator of the book Our Day of the Dead Celebration. Thank you so much for sending me your letters. I loved and enjoyed each and every one of them. So today I'm going to answer some of the questions that you sent me. Thanks so much for them. So I'm going to start with, is this book special to you and why? And is any of this from your life? So actually this book is very much inspired in my own family. So a lot of the things that happen in this book are things that happen in my life. So one of the things that I really enjoy showing people is the image of Tenorio. So Tenorio's character is actually based in my grandfather. And Tenorio's accordion is the same as the accordion for my grandfather. So I asked for my aunts to send me pictures of the famous accordion that now is played by another aunt and that will be passed on through generations. He used to play the accordion for us whenever there were posadas, piñatas. He was a very musical man, played the piano. He would play an artist called Cri Cri, if anyone has heard of him. He would play that in the piano for all the grandkids. And a lot of other things are based in my own family. They're based in how we celebrate Day of the Dead, how I've celebrated since I was a child. So that's a really good question. Thanks for asking. Let me see. The other one is, what is my favorite food? So my favorite food is tacos. So I love spicy food and I love tacos al pastor. That's really, if I was stranded in an island and I could eat just one thing, that would be tacos. So if anyone else shares that love for tacos, I high five you. Okay, so I'm gonna answer another one. How long did this book does it take to create a book? And what other books do you have? So this is a really good question because not a lot of people know that books actually take so long to be made. So usually a book would take around 6 months to 1 year to be made. But in this case of this particular book, it took about 6 years to be made. The reason of it is because it took me a while to figure out the story, to figure out the ending. I also took some trips to Mexico, to Michoacan, to a place called Pátzcuaro, where this book is based. So I made sure to do a lot of research work so that I could have reference images, so that I could have everything right. So you'll see this is based in Pátzcuaro. And Pátzcuaro, it's a town that's close to a lake. And it has, in this lake inside, there's a little island called Janitzio. And so you'll see it in several places here. We have the lake here, we have the boats that take the marigold flowers to the other side, and we have Janitzio once again here. These Catrinas, these calaveras, or skulls, they are based in actually an annual competition that they hold in Pátzcuaro. And they're based in or inspired in local artists' work. So I also wanted to honor the artists there. So once the book is finished, once I finish doing all of the illustrations, because the illustrations are done by hand, everything is done by hand. No computer was involved in the making of this book on my end. Once everything is done, I ship everything, it gets scanned, it gets printed, I get what are called color proofs to see that the colors match up. And then after that, we wait 1 more year for the book to be printed, for the publisher to let everyone know about the book, to let all the teachers, librarians, everyone know that this amazing book is coming out. So thank you so much for your questions. I hope you all have an amazing day. Hope that those of you who celebrate the Day of the Dead found something you like in this book. Muchas gracias a todos. Que tengan muy bonito día. Take care. Bye.